tiny seed so round and small. Plant it here and watch it grow tall. Dig a hole deep and wide. Tuck the little seed inside. Pitter-patter water falls. Listen as the garden calls. Stretch up high, pick high. Green, green leaves and blossoms pink. It happened faster than a blink. Red and shiny, sweet and round, the bestest treats that can be found. And one for me, say catchy. Wash them clean, scrub-a-dub-dee. Healthy snacks for you and me. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, so sweet. Apples are a yummy treat. Wiggle your hips and jump so high. We love apples, let's tell the sky. Wiggle your hips and jump so high. Let's tackle the sky. See you soon on GiggleBloom. We'll bring the sunshine to your room. Bye-bye.